Hello and welcome. Welcome to another episode of Lunch with Lisa. I'm Lisa Warner. I am the author of The Simplicity of Self-Healing, which is now in its 10th anniversary edition. You can find The Simplicity of Self-Healing on Amazon. Today, let's talk about healing a sick world. You know, we're not meant to live in states of war, poverty, strife, turmoil, living on the verge of financial collapse. This isn't normal. It's not natural. You know, when I found myself facing cancer over a decade ago, I was miserable in my life. I looked out in the world and I couldn't figure out for the life of me how I was supposed to fit in to this crazy mixed up world. We live in a very, very sick and twisted society. A society that is built on consumerism, consume or be consumed. Climb your way to the corporate ladder. It doesn't matter who you step on. He who has the most toys wins. This is not the sign of a healthy society. Living in states of war is not normal. It's not even acceptable, yet it has become normalized and it's accepted. Why are we living in a really, really sick world? We don't have to. You and I have the ability to heal every aspect of life on this planet. But we have to do it from here, from our own selves first. In order to heal anything, we have to come into a state of peace and harmony. We cannot heal while we're in fear, doubt, guilt, shame, blame. Healing happens in a peaceful, harmonious environment. Dis-ease happens in the world that's been created for us, the world that we've allowed to be created. War is a crime against humanity. Yet we allow people to wage war all the time. And then we don't feel good about it inside. Living on a war-torn planet, it's very difficult to be healthy and happy and at peace on a war-torn, divided planet. So how did it get to be this way? Well, we have an entire world filled with rule followers. We have rule givers and rule followers. And the rule givers are the ones who have decided that it's their job to govern men, to govern humanity. Well, they're not doing a very good job of it, are they? Humanity, we don't need to be governed. When we can govern ourselves, when we can live in peace and integrity and honor, when we treat each other with kindness and caring, when we share with each other, we don't need to be governed. And allowing ourselves to be governed by people who are hell-bent on waging war, it's not a particularly probably intelligent decision. And then we suffer by following somebody else's rules. We suffer. When we don't live by our own rules, our own integrity, when we don't live from peace and harmony inside, we can't experience peace and harmony on the outside. Our bodies are responding to our traumas. There's nothing wrong with our bodies. Our bodies are not being attacked by diseases. Our bodies are simply trying to help us through the trauma that is this society. Our bodies are designed to heal themselves automatically. When we come into a state of inner peace and trust with our bodies, healing is a given. It happens automatically. It happens for free without any pills. But most people have trouble wrapping their minds around this because they don't see self-healing demonstrated. All they see is what's being flashed on the news. Here, there's a pill for that. Go ask your doctor. Find out if this pill is right for you. Why don't you find out if your body knows how to heal itself? Wouldn't that be a better thing to find out rather than find out if this pill is right for you? Find out that your body is brilliant. Your body is intelligent. Your body knows exactly what it is doing. Whatever your body is doing, it's doing it for a reason. And you know what that reason is? It's for your survival. We have been taught by all the ones who make the rules in this society, the ones who make all the money by selling all pills and creating all the wars. It's a business model, right? Disease and war. These are business plans. Wouldn't it be easier if you made it your own business plan to learn how to heal yourself for free? Wouldn't it be a better business plan to find out how brilliant your body actually is and how brilliant you as a being are? What if you discovered how brilliant you truly are? What if you discovered that you are an angel in human form? What if you discovered that you are the creator of your reality? That you're not a victim. Wouldn't it be cool to find that out? What if you discovered your own innate brilliance, your own ability to heal yourself? And what if by living in personal integrity, by not following the rules just because there are rules, if the rules don't feel good, If the rules don't honor you as a being, then they're not worth following. We're not here to give our lunch money to the bullies. We're here as light workers. We are here to restore peace and health to this planet. And we cannot do that by continuing to follow the rules that have been set up by people who are literally trying to kill us. It's not very helpful. Look at who has set up all of these rules. Look at who is benefiting from all of these rules. All of these rules are literally business plans. They're designed to imprison humanity. And when we're living in an invisible prison, life is not fun. It's time to step out of the invisible prison. It's time to see that we are the light workers. We are here to shine our light. We are here to bring peace back to this planet. And when we start to bring peace back to this planet, we do it by bringing peace within ourselves first. And when you restore peace within, your body heals itself automatically. Your light is all you need. You are here to shine your light. You are here to shine light on the darkness. You're not here to follow the rules that have been set up by the dark ones. You are here to restore peace to planet Earth. You have the ability. We all have the ability. We have to notice the ability that we have. We have to notice our own unique intelligence. And we have to start living by our own unique intelligence. We have to start honoring and respecting our own inner brilliance. We have to stop following the rules that make no sense. We have to stop following the rules that are creating the walls of our invisible prison. And we have to stop allowing people in positions of power to be writing the rules and making war. We're not here for that. That's not where this planet is going any longer. We've turned the tide. We're working on the restoration plan of this planet now. We are here to restore peace on Earth. We are here to restore peace within so that we can experience peace and harmony on this planet once more. When we live in peace and harmony with this planet and with each other, everyone thrives. Life returns to this planet. Life that is worth living. We're not here to survive. We're here to thrive. We're here to live. Are you ready to come alive on this planet? You have the ability, but you have to insist on treating yourself and your body with the dignity and honor and respect that you deserve. Stop following rules that make no sense. Stop allowing the bullies to bully you into doing things that don't make sense. Stop allowing others to force you into things that you know are not right for you. Stop allowing yourself to make decisions that will make other people happy, but that are working directly against your own well-being. You have the ability to heal yourself, but you have to come back into integrity. You have to recognize that you are an angel in human form. You're here to spread your wings. You're here to shine your light. You're not here to follow the rules that have been set up for our demise. You're here to thrive. You're here to spread love and light, healing and integrity. It's time for the light workers to step up and start creating peace on earth. This is our time. Are you ready to create a healthy, thriving planet? Are you ready to create a healthy, thriving you? You have the ability. Are you ready to activate it? If you need assistance in activating your ability to heal yourself, my next course of aligning with your radiantly healthy self starts on September 6th. Registration is open. If you are interested, please reach out. Let's have a conversation and find out if it is the right next step for you. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Lunch with Lisa. I'm Lisa Warner. I'm the author of The Simplicity of Self-Healing, now in its 10th anniversary edition. You can find more about me and everything that I offer at connectingyoutoyou.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next week, create for yourselves a great week. Bye for now.